Surprisingly, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is going to be released earlier than we anticipated. Jasper Ellens has confirmed the release date via DroneXL, and it's the 7th of August, so the next-gen ultralight mini drone from DJI is just weeks away. What's more exciting is that we have got newly leaked pictures with a fresh look, which is not just a prototype anymore, rather a complete ready-to-fly product. So let's find out more about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, upgraded specs that will make you want to sell your old drones. Mauro Tandoy shared a clip on X of a mountain biker driving into a Mini 5 Pro in the wild while it was being tested. It shows the Mini 5 Pro for the very first time, without any prototype stickers. Previously, we saw a prototype shared by Igor Bogdanov, which gave us a closer look at the drone. However, many were concerned about seeing the single propellers that are being used on the Flip. Flip wasn't much of a success due to its noisy propellers, and using the similar propellers to fan-favorite mini-series seemed like a massive downgrade. Now, the latest images fortunately confirms that DJI Mini 5 Pro will be featuring the regular folding propellers. Also, the larger vented motors are visible here, which are expected to improve the wind resistance and overall flight performance. Another notable upgrade that's been rumored for a while now is the inclusion of LiDAR sensor. The latest images confirm the existence of 2 LiDAR on the front, a huge first for the brand's sub-250-gram lineup. So far, these advanced obstacle tracking systems were only exclusive to high-end expensive models. What's the benefit of LiDAR, you ask? This will allow the Mini 5 Pro to detect obstacles even in the darkest of environments with precision, making it a better choice than the Mini 4. With LiDAR on board, it could make urban flying safer and more accessible than ever, especially for beginners. The battery capacity is also getting a huge bump compared to its predecessor. According to the leaked FCC listing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a beefy 33.5 watt-hour battery compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 18.9 watt-hour cell. So that's almost double the capacity, indicating twice the flight time of Mini 4 Pro. Based on various reports, DJI still plans to make the Mini 5 Pro a full FAA Category 1 compliant, meaning the drone will remain under 250 grams even with so many upgrades and inclusion of larger components. I still can't believe how DJI will be able to pull that off, but if that's true, this will surely be the most advanced mini drone yet. So mark the date, 7th of August it is. With such pro-grade features combined into such a compact and ultra-portable form factor, surely requires great engineering excellence. It's just a matter of time before everyone wants a Mini 5 Pro to be their ultimate travel companion. Which upgrades are you most excited about? Do you think it will be better than the DJI Air series?